Although the experts are not aware of any cyber attacks targeting electrical vehicles, watch out, Elon Musk. Watch out, Elon Musk. Hello. My name is Marc Drouinaud Jr. And if you're new here, I do cyber-related videos. Please feel free to relax and enjoy the content. We got this story. This story covers cars that rely on the internet. What? I like to drive. I like tech. Let's get right into it. We going dark. This is courtesy of Enes Kagu Bear at the Hill. So, as the auto industry enters an era where cars are increasingly relying on the internet to operate, some experts say that the shift to autonomy may pose greater cybersecurity risks if potential hackers target software vulnerabilities. Although the experts are not aware of any cyber attacks targeting electrical vehicles, watch out, Elon Musk. Watch out, Elon Musk. So, although experts are not aware of any cyber attacks targeting electrical vehicles thus far, they said the auto industry should still be working to upgrade their security and software systems for the well-being of their customers. And they said a real cyber attack against autonomous vehicles is very much in the realm of possibility. In fact, two cybersecurity researchers proved that it is achievable when they remotely hacked a Jeep Cherokee in 2015 to demonstrate the vulnerabilities of connected vehicles. The researchers were able to gain access to the car's steering, transmission, and brakes. The simulation hack prompted Fiat Chrysler to recall 1.4 million vehicles so it could install software to fix the vulnerabilities. A spokesperson for the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, told Reuters at the time that it was the first time an auto company had to recall cars over cybersecurity concerns. What was said was, this person said, that woke up the whole auto industry to the challenges they had, said Shane Tools, a non-resident senior fellow at the American Enterprise Institute. Tools said that unlike the aviation industry, which took cyber threats seriously amid terrorist attacks, the auto industry didn't have the same early nudge to invest as much in cybersecurity. So, Tools also said they just weren't thinking about people somehow using cars in a nefarious way, Tools said. As for hackers, Tools said, they would be after the different components of a car that will easily give them access to the system. For instance, they may try to find out which firm a company uses for its locking system. Okay, once they get that particular locking system model, they can work to hack the software to unlock the doors. Now what was also said was, once you figure out the company F is the creator of the locking system that Toyota and Hyundai uses, and you know which models and which years they're using that locking system, you can now target those cars on the road, Tools said. Tools added that once the hackers are inside the system, they can continue poking around to access more information. The hardest part is getting inside that window, Tools said. Once you figure out how to open that window and you're in the house, now you can figure out what else you can get into. Tools also said that if the hackers want to maximize their profits, they can go after companies that have big fleets, such as rental car company Hertz. James Anderson, a senior behavioral scientist and director of Justice Policy Program at Rand Corp, said another potential concern is the increased use over the air updates, right? Which allows manufacturers to wirelessly deliver new software to the car without someone physically there to make the changes. Anderson said that the idea new features can be added to a car wirelessly may pose risks as hackers attempt to gain control of the vehicle. The risks are growing in the sense that more and more vehicles are moving towards the over-the-air software update capabilities, and vehicles are also generally moving towards more autonomous capabilities, by which I mean giving more control over vehicle functions to the software, Anderson said. Anderson, however, emphasized that the cyber risks tied to an autonomous vehicles are hypothetical at this point. As for potential motivations, Tools said that 95% of the time it's about money, while the other 5% is creating fear. The biggest market is ransomware, and I have those videos. I have different types of ransomware earlier in my YouTube channel. Please feel free to watch those. Tools said, adding that the hackers may do several tests to figure out how much they should request. The dollar amount should be high enough for them to make the effort, but low enough that you will pay it and not tell anyone, she said. Hackers could also attempt to create fear by using vehicles as instruments of terror. For instance, a terrorist organization, right? A terrorist organization may hack a vehicle to harm a specific target, such as a diplomat, or use it to hit a government building. Although these potential attacks have yet to materialize in the real world, Anderson said it is important for the auto industry to be aware of the risks and take steps to mitigate them as more cars become reliant on the internet to operate. We want to anticipate this particular set of potential threats now so we can hopefully minimize the risk, he said. That was your news. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button right below the video and subscribe by clicking the big red button right below the video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then you'll probably enjoy these videos that's on the screen right now. So if you click on the screen right now, you can watch those. Want a cybersecurity news story you want me to cover? Write it in the comment section below. Also, click the notification bell next to the subscribe button to get notifications when I upload new videos. Lastly, please feel free to watch other videos on this channel. You don't know how to subscribe? I'm looking right at you. I'm wearing a suit, the white background around my suit. Come on, click on my face. I'm smiling at you. Stay safe, Hackpack. Please feel free to watch, like, and comment other videos on this channel. Subscribe now.